Hello, how are you doing? I hope you're good. That fucking countdown on this screencast thing it literally makes it so awkward because you stood here like, go. um, or maybe it's just me. I always fucking say this. I get sick of myself saying this at the start of every video. Jesus Christ, shut the fuck up and get on with it. Anyway, I hope you're good. I hope your week is going well so far. It's getting close to when you start prep now, isn't it? So how are you feeling about it? Are you excited? I bet you are. I'm excited to see how you get on, so it's cool. Right, so let's get into it. Training, it's been really good, as it has been for the past 11 weeks since prep, so I'm really, really enjoying it. Are we on the right block here? This doesn't look like the right block. There we go. Right, so I'm just going to talk through a few things. The dumbbells are feeling really good. I'm going to go for the 55s next week, which I never even did last year. So obviously we know that the 52 for 10 was an all-time PB for me, so that's really, really cool. I'm really pleased I got that, but they don't all give me fucking anxiety. Jesus Christ. Like leading up to any of the bigger movements, like squats, RDLs, bench press, I get such fucking anxiety. It's stupid. But it's not because I'm scared of like dropping the weight or hurting myself. I'm just like I put so much pressure on myself to beat the numbers or to do better that I just like get palpitations and all sorts. But maybe it helps me. Probably does. But yeah, they're feeling really, really good. So I should be able to get them, I reckon, safely. I'm just going to keep attaching weights to the end, and hopefully I reckon I can get them up to 60 for sure without nothing falling apart. So I'll just keep working with that. The rest of that session is really, really good. The overhand grip row, I just want to probably stick with that weight for a little bit and just feel it a bit better, a bit more. I feel like I'm using too much movement on that, but yeah, everything's really good there. I definitely think those shrugs are working. Like my traps I can see a change in my traps, like definitely. My traps are pretty shit anyway, but yeah, I can definitely see a change in that. This session yesterday was fucking tough. I think I wrote it on my story. My triceps were just fried yesterday, so I really struggled with like from like here and then the tricep push downs and the overhead extensions. Like they were just fucking hard. But all in all, it was still a good session. And then, yay! So I've just done this now, as you've seen, and it went really well. Last week I did the 80 for 9, and I was like, I could do 82 and a half. I don't want to do fucking 9 reps. Like, I don't want to keep doing 9 reps, so I just jumped up to 85, and they felt quite good. But that fucking ratio, though, 6 and 16. I don't know where I got 16 reps out. I just pulled it out of the bag somehow. I got to like 5 reps, and I was like, fuck this, and I just kept going. I don't know. So it was a really good session today anyway, and again I quite enjoy these. Maybe not the rest pause side of it, but they just feel a lot nicer than like the dumbbell ones. Maybe it's because I don't have that like pressure of holding the dumbbells making me feel nervous. This session last week was a bit harder because I had to do it on the Thursday, so I didn't have a rest day beforehand, so I definitely did feel the effects of that, but I still had a good session either way. And then this session, again, I think I felt a little bit fatigued here. I think my back feels quite fatigued at the moment. Like I could feel it when I was squatting today, like my upper back, like the DOM, like I've got DOMs quite a lot at the moment. I'm really pleased with how the hip thrust felt, just not sort of dead stopping them and just having a bit more control. They just felt probably better than they've ever felt. And that's why I'm really excited to like, I'm hoping for glute gains, like I've just said to you, like, because they felt really, really good. And the deadlifts, like that was quite a big jump. I could have gone to, I think I did 105 last week. So I could have done 107, but I just thought I'll go, fuck it. I'll go to 110, and they were all right, but they should feel more comfortable this weekend. Apart from that, you know what? The only thing I'm fucking struggling with is my calves. Jesus Christ, like I don't know if they're just getting fried from the session or they suck. They fucking suck. I just can't get anywhere with them. I don't know. I never had this issue last year, so I don't really know what's going on. But anyway, I'm really loving training. I'm really motivated. Yeah, I'm really motivated to push myself. Um, the only thing I'm experiencing is that like tiny bit of anxiety, but I think I think I sort of thrive off of that a little bit. Um, so all in all, it's going quite well. Niggles wise, like my hips are just the usual stuff. What I meant by the barbell hip thrust was just that the pad's fucking shocking, so it's like digging into my hips. But I might buy myself one. I had a bit of a niggle on the top of my right patella today. Shoulders are feeling like this is feeling a lot better. I'm not really getting any. I feel like the past 4 videos I've given you like a fuck's sake. Anyway, it's feeling a lot better. I am tired though. Like we were talking about obviously a deload last week, and I think this is the first time that I've really noticed that like the first time since probably training with yourself that I've really noticed that I probably, apart from on prep obviously, that I really feel like I could do with just a little bit of a rest maybe sometime soon, but I get very like I don't want to because things are going well. We get the keys to the house on Monday, so over the 2 weeks following that day we'll be moving out, so maybe if we plan on doing it, if we could do it at some point then, that'd be cool. But apart from that, I think everything's all good. Nutrition wise, so this week I've had just a few things going on, which is just like it's fine. My hunger's definitely like it's calming down. Like I'm not as food focused at the moment, but if you put something in front of me, I will fucking demolish it. Especially like post training. Jesus Christ, I'm like ravenous. Like I would literally just sit there and go and shove food in my face. I would literally probably like face plant a bowl of food if you gave it to me. Just I fucking love it. So yeah, I am hungry, but I'm not thinking about it as much, if that makes sense. I'm not as focused on it. There's been a few occasions, like Thursday, where the fuck is it? What day is Thursday? Is it that one? Yeah, Thursday I went to my mum's and had spag bowl, hence the shitty macros because I couldn't track it. And then I proceeded to eat shitloads of Rocky Road, one of those Marks and Spencer's tubs, because she had them and I just couldn't stop. So I think this is probably why I had second helpings and third helpings of bolognese as well. So that's probably why that's a lot higher. I'm also from here onwards, I've been on cycle. So I think that's why I've had a slight increase as well in the weight. But yeah, so that was that. The following day, we were at like a business event. So I didn't really eat much until later on in the day. I ordered, oh my fucking God, because obviously it was a rest day, so the carbs were lower. It was at a hotel, and I need to stop clicking that. It was at a hotel, and the lunch choices were shit. It was like a selection sandwiches, which I was like, oh, egg and cress, like yeah. But I thought, no, it's just really high. Well, it's higher carb for the bread and stuff like that. I was like, I'll go for a chicken salad. That'll sort of make up for yesterday a little bit, and then I can have some food later. And I ordered this fucking chicken salad, and it cost £7.50. £7.50. The sandwiches were £4.50, and it came out in loads. You know, like the noodle pots you get. It was like this shallow. Came out in a noodle pot. Had one fucking slice of cucumber in it, a cherry tomato, like 50 grams of chicken, and a few spinach leaves. I genuinely nearly cried. This was at like 3 p.m, so I hadn't even eaten until then. Oh, biggest rip off of my life. So that was just a bit shit. I ate a bit later on, but that hence why the carbs were even still low there. And all in all, and then last night I had a pizza. Because I didn't want to cook, and Paul doesn't cook, so I had a pizza. But apart from that, like it's fine. Everything's on track with it. Like I said, appetite's still there, but food focus is lower. And I'm just feeling like I can see changes in myself. I can see my composition changing. I said to you last week, like I can actually see like ab shape and stuff like that. I can see my obliques a little bit, which to me means I'm getting a better composition basically. All my abs are developing because I've just been training them. But anyway, yeah, so that with regards to like my body shape, I can definitely see improvements. I feel really good. I feel really full, strong. It's nice. What else? Sleep has been fucking usual. I've actually been getting a little bit more. Look at this, like all these 7 hours here. Woo! That will improve though, and I'm just really looking forward to that. How sad! I'm getting a house, and like the thing I'm looking forward to most is getting into a sleeping pattern and waking up at 5:30 in the morning. What's wrong with me? Fucking weirdo. Um, Caffeine intake's been really slim. I just I have a coffee in the morning, and that's it. And got anything else to say? My mood has been really good. I feel well, yeah, it's been pretty good. I feel just a little bit like in limbo at the moment because we're waiting to go into the house. So I feel a bit weird, but other than that, pretty good. I'm sure you can tell. And energy is so. Like I am tired, but that's life. And I think that's it really. Have I got anything else to say? I really want to get my steps up, but I think I will. I'm sure I will over the next few weeks. That's pretty much it. So I think the only thing I had to say was like with regards to if we're going to deload, like I'm we'll have the keys from Monday. So if we were planning to do it when I was moving, kind of thing, to make things a bit easier, it'll be the 2 weeks following that Monday. So any time there. I think that's it. I think. Anyway, I hope you're having a good week, and as always, I'm really looking forward to your feedback. Um, yeah, and I think that's it. I feel like I'm trying to remember to say something and I can't. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your week, enjoy the rest of your day, and chat soon. Bye.